What's the date today? It's the 18th of December. Um, Early morning USD, Jappy, and Euro USD. Right, guys? You guys know I love trading the mornings. It's got such a beauty. I don't know why. I was always told for the beginning of my forex career, I was really told stay away from New York session. But then when I kept paying attention to those big 4 hour candles, I always realized that, well, in the morning New York session, there's always so much movement, right? Like, look, here's New York session right here. Look at all this movement, right? Where's the next New York session right here? Look at all this movement, right? Where's the next New York session? Is here. Look at all this movement, right? It's just so much momentum and movement. Here's today, right? Just so much on USD Jappy. Um, Euro USD was actually brilliant this morning. My TPs got hit too fast to even take screenshots, so I kind of messed up on that one. But EU was beautiful, right? I'm gonna start with EU right now, right? I'm gonna start with Euro USD. I'm gonna show you guys what I saw this morning. Okay. Of course, what do I always say, guys? I always say just follow momentum. Keep it very simple, right? Literally, just keep it simple. Stop overcomplicating everything. Everybody just I keep getting like people that sending me messages on Instagram, and they keep saying like, dude, your videos and your explanations they're helping me just from understanding to wait for a 4 hour to open and close and wait for the hour to close. People are recognizing this, guys, and I want you guys to recognize it too. So thank you for watching. So here we got, what do we got? We got two. Here's the 4 hour candle, right, from 2 to 6 a.m. What do we got? What do we got? What did it leave us off with? Well, it was just hit the zone, right? Where's the recent support too? Kind of supportish around this area. But anyways, we had just touched this zone. Okay, well, where's it gonna go? If it's gonna break this zone, where's the next zone that it's going to? It's going right here, 100%. I mean, I already did it, but I should have recorded it live. But anyways, um, you can see when we're just following momentum early in the morning, right? We're just gonna keep moving in the direction that price wants to push. If we were gonna look at the currency meter, let me see what I don't know what it looks like now, but all morning US dollar was super red, yet still super red. But the euro all morning long was all green, super 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 green, all freaking morning. When the US dollar is this weak, I personally, when I'm trading, I personally am looking for what is looking the easiest, right? What is looking easiest? If early in the morning, like this morning, GBP was all the way up here, Euro was all the way up here, and USD was super low. Well, GBP USD is going to be launching. GBP or the Jappy was really low too early in the morning. GBP Jappy's going up, right? So if we just backtest and we look at um, all of these, like let's look at GBP Jappy so I can show you guys, right? GBP Jappy, I don't know why I didn't trade GBP Jappy. I'm so dumb. GBP Jappy pays out so much money. Anybody that trades GJs has the most money in forex trading, hands down. So what do we got? We got from 5, look at 5:15, look by 5:30, what? 5:45, and then right for at least 6 a.m. And you just keep following momentum, guys. Check this out. Let me just pull up this strength meter real quick. I mean the price range here, right? This is what we went up early in the morning from by 5:30 by the time I woke up all the way until 6:15 and then started to make a retracement. But as you can see, just look at the momentum, guys. Look at the momentum. See how much GJ pays out? 57 pips in an hour? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. That's so much money. Let's go look at GBP USD. What do we got? Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? 5. Looks exactly the same almost, huh? Let's do the same little pip count. Early morning push. Oh my Lanta. 41. Huh, would you look at that? Look at EU, right? 15 minute, 15 minute by 6 a.m. You can see price already broke this structure. You see how price broke this structure here? So where's it going? Well, if you've got the hour time frame up, pull up the hour time frame, we can get an idea. Look at this rally it's been doing, just sitting on a support. Bing, 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 bing for 4 hours, right? Boom, finally launch. So if you didn't know we were going bullish by 6, at least by 7 you can get in too. Because this is where you confidently can understand that the next zone is going to be at least here, right? And then if it was going to break that, you just keep looking left. Well, look where it went. It went all the way to the next zone up there. That's huge. That's a huge morning. That was a huge morning. The only mistake I did was I didn't hold long enough and my TP was too short. I had my 10 pip TP. It came so fast. And it just kept going. I didn't re-enter. Sorry, guys. I'm a little sick. That was not professional. That was kind of gross. I'm in the backyard, so we've got. Let me go to USD Jappy to what I just traded. Man, you guys are gonna be looking at this video and you're gonna be like, "What the heck did this guy just hawk a big one in the backyard?" Anyways, all right. So, what do we got for this morning? This morning was a lot of rigmarole, but we know based off this 4 hour time frame, right? Look how it closed. We'll just follow momentum. Where's it gonna go? I mean, it seems like it just wants to go down, right? That's a pretty strong rejection. Look at all day yesterday since market open. We're just kind of rejecting up here on a resistance. By 2 a.m., look what it did, 2 to 6. So you can just follow momentum, right? So I already knew that we're going to sell, so I'm just waiting for my entry. I'm waiting for price to reveal which way it really wants to go. So the way price really revealed the position that she wants to go when I was watching it, but I didn't enter yet, was here. Look at how price just sitting on the support, but it closed below. No, I mean, what's holding it back from dropping? Nothing, right? Look how much it dropped. It dropped down nearly 10 pips, and it made a retracement. Then it went bullish a little bit, making its first lower high. Let me show you what that looks like, guys. So these are lower highs. My gosh, I swear every video my computer does this. This is a lower high because it's lower. Right? Boom. Boom. Already broke structure. Now we had a wick to go fill. Right? What do we know about wicks? Wicks are always filled. Follow. Ay, ay, ay. Follow. Spell momentum right? I don't even care. Anyways, so as we can see, right, we just follow momentum. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to keep following momentum. Price already broke the structure. We know the morning has a push. We know the morning has a push. Here's your lower high. Here's your entry. Boom, look what it did. Boom, in and out, guys. Done. 15 pips each, whatever. Like, you're in and out. You don't need to be on the charts all day long anymore. This is where you learn how to stack entries and you learn how to become most profitable. You learn how to become most profitable by understanding your risk management, understanding where price is and where price needs to go, and understanding how much you want to make for the day, right? That's your trading plan. You need to have a trading plan. You need a trading plan. You need a trading plan. Stop paying for these signals from these guys that are buy USD Jeppy now, sell Euro USD now, blah blah blah. Like, what are you guys doing? Sitting in front of your phones all day long, waiting for some bogus guy to start calling you out a signal? I mean, come on, guys, think about it. Just think about that logically. Why do you want to trust someone else with your money? Why? Right? So here's how it works. Let's say your trading plan. I'll show you guys Let me see where my trading plan is. You know, I don't want to pop that up. It's inside another folder. I just want to show you guys. My trading plan consists of this: identifying higher time frame bias, spotting market structure on 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, right? This is how my training plan really looks like and how it consists, right? 15 minutes or 5-minute time frame, and then I have the select amount of orders that I want to put. So if I'm doing, let's say, 10 entries, for example, 10 entries at 10 pips each. It's 100 pips, right? It's 100 pips. Okay. So I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, and step one is identifying direction. Okay. So the 2 to 6 closed bearish. So we can expect that we're going to keep going bearish, right? All right. So we can also expect a slight pullback. You know, it could go up higher. Who knows? But we identify that the 4 hours telling us bearish. So let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, right? Here's right for 6 a.m. Okay, well, 6 a.m. did make a lower high. Boom, it went down. Oh, wait, but then it went back up. Then it went back down. Okay, there was, by this point, if you had not already entered sells and were holding, right? If you were not holding at least by now, because if we enter some sells here, then okay, we're going into profit, right? And then we're gonna pull up. Now we're pretty much break even, or with spread maybe like a pip up. So we might be negative a pip, whatever, right? Once it comes up and then it goes back down. Okay, by here we have major confirm we're going down. So my trading plan is consisting of identifying where the higher time frame is and identifying where my market structure is in between that. Okay. So if I've identified like at least by now, because as soon as price made a nice retracement, I was like, okay, I'm getting ready for sales now because not only do a wick fill, but we're gonna approach our lower high. As soon as it made the lower high, that's where I stack my sells. I put my entries there, and then you've got, if I'm doing 10 entries at 10 pips each, there's 10 pips each, right? In one 15-minute candle, 100 pips. In and out, done. Done for the day. Don't need a trade anymore. Whatever. This is how my trading plan looks, guys. This is what I look for every single day, and I keep the same rhythm. I look for the same things. I identify my two twos, and I get in and I get out. Look at Euro USD this morning. Euro USD this morning. What do we got? Straight momentum trade. Straight momentum trade. By 6 a.m., confirm. We've already broken. We've already broken our resistance area, which was right here on the 15-minute time frame. At the time, the currency meter was super strong, euro, and US dollar was still super, super, super weak. Follow the momentum. The higher time frame is telling us go. We're going bullish. So what do? Drop down to the lower time frame, see what it looks like. And as you can see, look at this whole huge rally. We have a break, we have a rally, then we have a break, and then of course hit a major resistance to go down. But as you can see in that morning time, in that super early morning time, up until what, for an hour and a half, we go up 50 something pips, guys. You're in and you're out. You're in and you're out, right? Look how fast 10 pips comes so fast. It comes so fast. Depending on what your guys' trading plans are, if you want to trade from zone to zones, you all you got to do is draw up zones. All you got to do is say, well, I don't know where price is really going. Well, draw up your zones so you can get an idea. Here was the hour, here was the rally and the break. Well, the next real area it's going to go from here, it was going to go to here. And then if it was going to break this, it was going to go to this zone. And then if it was going to break that, it's probably going to go to this zone. And what did it do? Precisely the exact same thing. Exact same thing. How do you identify zones? Look left. Look for nice solid areas where price is closed, where it looks pretty, where they're sitting on it a lot, like this. Nice, huge zone. Look, it's a support. Or it was a resistance and broke through, turned support. Then it turns resistance again, right? Supports turn to resistance and resistances turn to support all the time. And just follow momentum, guys. Just follow the momentum. It's that simple. If you're trading any pair that has US dollar in it, the morning is always going to be good. If you're also trading pairs that have like GBP or Euro, the mornings are going to be good too because you're going to have that last early morning push, right? Like the London market's going to close early in the morning. So you're going to have that last push right there in the morning. So you can expect a volatility push with any Euro or GBP pairs as well as USD. So this is why I'm liking to trade Euro USD, USD Jappy, and then sometimes GBP Jappy. GBP Jappy just moves wild. So if you know where she's going, good. If you don't know where she's going, absolutely stay out. But going back to the trading plan, just so you guys can get a little bit of a clear understanding on just how we're just following momentum, guys. Just check it out, right? So I need to spot my higher time frame bias. Then I'm gonna drop down to my 5 minute or my 15 minute. I'm gonna see where price is at. I'm gonna identify my higher highs and my lower lows, or you know, whether if it's bullish or bearish structure, and then I'm calling it a day. You guys can check my Instagram out. This is where all my sales were, and you can see where my profit target is. Always leave one running. I got some running still. So just scalp the swing. You know, this is why I believe in compounding. I believe in stacking orders. Um, that's why I like scalping so much. Because if my trading plan is saying I'm gonna have 10 pips at 10 entries or 10 entries at 10 pips each, and I catch 10 pips in one 15-minute candle, that's 100 pips right there. You're in and you're out and you're done. You're just done. You don't have to trade anymore. Especially if you're trading on really high lot sizes, standard lots. If you're trading on 100.0s, 50.0s, 10.0s, even 1.0s, it's like this is $1,000 on just standard lots. Just 1.0 standard lots if you got 100 pips just like that. Just like that in 15 minutes. Who do you know that makes $1,000 in 15 minutes? That's $4,000 an hour. Who do you know that works for 4K an hour? Nobody. Nobody in your life works for 4K an hour unless it's, I don't know, freaking Bill Gates' royalties or something. That this guy probably gets paid like 10 G's every 10 seconds. But think about it logically, guys. So anyways, I just wanted to help you guys out, give you guys another free video just to understand how I traded my market structure this morning, what I look for, how I identified it, a little bit into my trading plan. I will show you guys my trading plan in another video. I'll just pop it up and show you guys. But it's very, very simple. It's very, very easy. Um, I like to just get in and get out, guys. Like I'm done for the day, done for the morning. I can keep trading, don't really need to. What's the point? Alrighty, guys, I'm going to close it down.